Why selecting the appropriate hose for power washing is crucial. Selecting the appropriate hose is paramount as it directly influences the efficiency of water flow during cleaning operations. An optimal hose guarantees a seamless and effective cleaning process, ensuring that dirt and grime are swiftly removed. Durability is a non-negotiable factor, as the chosen hose should withstand high pressure without the risk of leaks or bursts, thereby enhancing safety and efficacy. A premium-grade hose offers an extra layer of protection through its resistance to both abrasion and chemicals. This resilience not only safeguards against wear and tear, but also extends the lifespan of the hose, contributing to long-term cost-effectiveness. We recognize the pivotal role the right hose plays in the power washing process. It acts as a fundamental link in the chain of achieving exceptional and successful results. At Grease Eaters, every component matters in our pursuit of cleaning excellence. Do you want to experience the magic of power washing? Give us a ring today to discuss your power washing needs. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.